Hey everyone, welcome back to another Unity tutorial on Revolution Games Academy. Today we're going to explore one of the most fundamental yet powerful tools for debugging in Unity, debug logs. Whether you're just starting out or looking to sharpen your debugging skills, this video will show you how to effectively use debug log methods to identify and solve issues in your Unity projects. Let's get started. First, let's talk about what debug log is. Debug log is a simple way to send messages to Unity's console during gameplay or in the editor. It's primarily used for testing, troubleshooting, and tracking what's happening in your code at runtime. For example, in my debug log script, when I type debug.log inside the parentheses hello Unity and save it, then return to Unity editor and play the game, you'll see the message appear in Unity's console. This is a great way to check if your code is running as expected or to get real-time feedback about what's happening in your game. Unity's debugging tools go beyond just debug.log. You can also use debug.log warning to display a warning message in the console, debug.log error to display an error message, and this is how it looks. In Unity editor, where warning log shown in yellow and error log shown in red. In this game, I have added log for player jumping and added a warning message if the player has reached, and an error message when the player has fallen, which helps us to identify whether the progress of player is properly working and it is not going in unwanted code. We've covered the use of debug.log and its variants, providing you with a solid foundation. The debug class itself is a vast and advanced tool that offers more complex functionality with different methods. If you're interested in diving deeper into its advanced features, let me know in the comments. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.